Students, regarding do, does, did, now we are going to discuss. Already we discussed in the just previous class, and the major and one more point we should know here. What is the help of the do, does, did in common sentences or in our daily life? How we can use this do, does, did? When we want to make a positive sentence as a negative sentence, we used to take only not. Means we used to use not. Not is a word which will be used with always a helping verb. Helping verb should be there before the not. Barely we can't use. See this example. He is a doctor. So he is a doctor means it is positive. If we want to make it negative, what is the sentence? He is not a doctor. This is in negative, this is in positive. You can't use it not directly. He not a doctor. He not a doctor, you can't say. It should be with a helping verb. So he is not a doctor. Whereas, again, Ramya is an employee. This is positive sentence. If you want to make it negative, you should add not. Where you have to use that not is nothing but you should write not after the helping verb. Ramya is not an employee. About this is negative sentence. So we can use not after the helping verb only. You can't say Ramya not an employee. Ramya is not an employee. Ramya is not an employee is right. And here what I underlined about this also we should know in the forthcoming classes. A and the articles. Why here? Why didn't we write A? Why we have written and? That also should be known by this very in a clear way. When coming to this, he plays well. In these sentences, helping verb is there, so our work became easy. When helping verb is there, likewise sentences, it is simple to make negative just by keeping not after the helping verb. Whereas, when there is no helping verb in the sentence, he plays well. In this sentence, there is no helping verb at all here. You are asked to make it negative. Someone asked you, or in the examination, someone asked to make it negative. How you have to make that sentence negative? So, especially when there is no helping verb, then you should remember do, does, did to make a sentence in negative. Do, does in present tense, did in past tense. Whereas he plays well, you have to see first this verb and you should identify which verb it is, whether it is present tense or past tense, V1 or V2. You say whether it is V1 or V2. Which one it is? Play. V1. The subject is singular, so play took S to make it singular. Singular subject, singular verb. Then only the sentence is agreeable. So he plays well. Here V1 is there, means main verb only. There is no helping verb. How can we make the sentence negative? How can we make the sentence negative? How can we make? It is not possible to make the sentence. It is not possible to make the sentence negative without the helping of any helping verb. Here it is in present tense, so we have to take only do does. We have to take only do does. So in this, regarding this sentence, we are making negative sentence. Here you have to think whether it is do or does. Which one it is suitable? Suitable only possible with the number of the subject. Means whether it is singular number or plural number. According to that, in that two, one will be suitable. Here it is singular. He is a singular. So do will be used. Already I said do will be used with I or plural subjects. Does will be used with singular subjects. So here, what helping verb we can take from do or does? Say students, clearly you are eligible or I am eligible to take only does, because does will be used with singular subjects. So here he is the singular subject. So we are writing he does. Why we are writing this? To make the sentence negative. It is in positive to make the sentence in negative. And for the uses of not, we are taking the help of this does. After this does only, you can keep not. He does not. Here, after do does did. Here also one more thing is that just I said there is a little bit confusion in this do does did usage. So the person who takes care about this will feel very comfortable. So you should take care. Here verb is place. Here verb is place. Shall we use place here or play only? Which one we have to use? So I said after do does did only V1 comes. Always V1 comes. Memory and remember I said. You have to memorize that rule and remember at the time of the necessary. Now you got the necessary. After does what you have to use V1. V1 means play is the V1. Place is also this is V1 structure. But play S is added according to the subject. S is not added. What is the V1? Play. Place will not be written in directly in V1. Just it is the form. It is the other word in the V1 only, but depending on the subject. Maybe you can feel doubt also here. Subject is he, singular. So here you added yes. By adding this, you made it singular. Here you are not adding. You said play is plural. Play used with plural subjects because it doesn't use with singular subjects. So play always should be V1 directly should be used with plural subjects. As you said, you may ask me like that. You said, master, play is used with plural subjects because it is V1. But you are writing play with he, this is singular subject. Why you are writing? You may ask, you may get doubt. So for that also I am giving clarification. Here don't see the subject, see this do does did. Whenever they are here, after the verb which is going to come immediately after this, whenever a verb comes, it should be always V1. There is no exemption at all in this rule. You should write V1 only. And also that will be satisfied here. Because of he singular only, we use does, not do. Does is for singulars only. Here only we made the sentence satisfaction of using singular verb. Here only singular subject, singular verb. It is clear. Again making it singular is ridiculous. It is not needed. So that he got satisfaction by using does, and play V1 is satisfied by having does, means do does did after. Always we have to use V1. And also not is also satisfied by having a helping verb. So he does not play well. This is negative sentence of this positive sentence. You see this, and even you have to understand it in a nice way. What I have written in the box, it gives certain little bit confusion. You can practice more sentences by writing like this, he plays well, he studies well. Or you can write your friends' names and write certain verbs also. He goes to market. They go to market, like that. Likewise, any you can do practice, and after that you try to make negative sentence. Then you can get doubts. Whenever you get doubts, what I said twice or thrice, listen this part especially more. Then you can get clarification. Again we come here. We are coming here. Here also, subject is singular. Better I take subject plural to get good clarification to you. So I make it they, and I make this also plural. They write stories. This is positive sentence. You are asked to make it negative, or I ask you to make it negative. They write stories. What is the negative sentence for it? Generally, without having prior information regarding who does it, the students who are lower in classes or lower in knowledge of grammar, they may doubt about this, how we have to make it negative. They may say they not write stories. They not write stories. But again they may get doubt depending on their sentence framing, something is wrong. Or if they don't know, they feel they don't know anything grammar, they feel that they not write stories. Maybe they feel it is right. No, it is not. Whenever you want to make a sentence, positive sentence into negative sentence, that positive sentence must consist helping verb first in that sentence. Helping verb should be there in that sentence. Whenever helping verb is there in that sentence, then our work is easy by keeping not after this, like this. It becomes easy. Whenever helping verb is not in the sentence, positive which is in positive, to make it negative, there we have to struggle. Not only that, if you want to make it interrogative also, question. If you want to make question also, there is a struggle. I'll inform that later. Now we come to make negative regarding this. They write stories. They write stories, S-T-O-R-I-E-S. We are making it negative. They. I said not will be used with helping verb only. So that first of all we have to see whether these present tense or past tense. It shows as present tense only V1. So when it is present tense, you have to see two words, do, does. Which of these two is useful here? You have to analyze yourself. According to the subject only, you have to analyze. Subject is they, it is plural. So plural subject takes always do only. So we have to write do. And after that, you have to write not. They do not. After that, you have to keep main verb. Which main verb you have to keep? After do, always V1 will be there. So V1 only here it is. So you can write it as it is. Stories. So the sentence becomes negative by writing like this. They do not write stories. They do not write stories. Just now I said, in making a sentence negative, we need do, does, did, help according to the tense of the sentence. If we want to make it interrogative, if you want to create a question from this, they write stories. Now here I am rubbing it, leaving it, because we are going to make question now. How you have to question? They write stories. They write stories? Like that asking, is it a question? No. Just gestures are saying in such a way, it is not a question. Question has a form. Question has a form. Question formation should be known by the particular persons, those who want to speak English good. By taking this sentence, we want to make a question. Same. By taking the sentence, if we want to make negative, what help we have taken, the same helping should be taken to make this sentence question also. Means we should remember do does did 3. Because there is no helping verb. If helping verb is there, that is difference. I go there, I explain that, and I after completion of this. So you don't have any helping verb here. So immediately you have to remember do does did. This sentence is present tense, means verb is given. So you remember only do does. In that do does also, which one you have to take is nothing but they is the plural. So do only will be taken. So with do you are going to start. So D will be written in capital. This capital letter will become smaller. Just by keeping do before this, do they write as it is the same sentence. Stories. Here it is ended in full stop, but here it ends in question mark. This is interrogative sentence. I miss, you remember interrogative sentence. Do they write stories? Is there any wrong in this? No. Everything is okay. After do, the verb is in V1. No problem. We kept do in the before the subject only, so it became interrogative question. When it is question, ending will be with question mark only. But we come here. When we come here, he is a doctor. He is a doctor. Regarding this, we want if the examiner or someone asks, or I am asking, make a interrogative sentence. This regarding this interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Like this, you don't need to remember because already helping verb is there. When the helping verb is there, our work becomes free. Our work becomes very easy. So just keeping this ease in the beginning means at that time you must write capital letter is, and this capital letter will become small. Is he a doctor? Understand well, I am writing in between. This is interrogative sentence. Is he a doctor? Is he a doctor? Like this here, Ramya is an employee, not an employee, an employee. Ramya is an employee. So you are asked to make a question. So just simply keeping this is before Ramya, your work is finished. Is Ramya an employee? Ending question mark should must be. Whether I have written here or not? No, I didn't write. I should write. It should be end with question mark. This is interrogative sentence, and also here also is Ramya an employee? Ending question mark. Even further, for this also you can make Ramya is not an employee. This is negative. Given in negative only directly, Ramya is not an employee. Write interrogative sentence for this. The examiner asks, what you have to write is this total formation. Is you should write in the starting only. Isn't Ramya or is not? Contrasted form. Is not becomes isn't. So likewise, does place not, doesn't, do place not, don't. In such a way, we go further. In next classes we write totally on the board. Contrasted forms they are. So isn't Ramya an employee? When you are writing Ramya, there is no need to write R small. All names like this. All names should be written. Start with capital only. So is not Ramya an employee? Is Ramya not an employee? No, he is not. Isn't Ramya an employee? So in such a way, the question will be formed from the negative sentence or from the positive sentence. One can make. If in regarding positive sentence, if it is asked, is Ramya an employee? If it is asked from negative sentence, isn't Ramya an employee? He plays well. regarding this question, if we want to make question, here we have to think. So there is no helping verb in this. So we have to know how it will be. So you remember, when there is no helping verb in the sentence, especially it happens in simple present tense and simple past tense. These three will be remembered in simple present tense, simple past tense to make a sentence interrogative or negative. These three should be remembered. So he plays well. Here there is no helping verb. First we are making it in negative. He is a singular. He takes does only, not do. He does not play only come. He does not play well. It is negative sentence. Even if you want to make interrogative sentence for this, say Siddhar, how can you make? He plays well. What is the interrogative sentence? Is there any helping verb here? No helping verb. So then, if the helping verb should be in the beginning. So what helping verb we have to remember to make it interrogative? To make it interrogative, what helping verb we should write? Remember, he is a subject is a singular. So can we use do? No. We can use only does because subject is singular. So with does we have to start does. After that you have to keep this right in small letter only. Does he? Just you have to write play only because though he is singular. After he we are writing play. We are not writing plays. Why we are not writing plays means here only the he is satisfied by making it singular. So no need to take again singular. No need to make this again singular by adding this. Double singular will not be acceptable. So does he play well? Does he play well? Or otherwise, for this we got opportunity to make negative. He does not play well. What is the negative? He does not play well. What is the negative? Doesn't. What is the negative? Doesn't. You should write in the beginning. Doesn't. Next subject should be written. Doesn't he? After that, doesn't he play well? Ending question mark. It should be there. He does not play well. We made one question. Interrogative sentence. Doesn't, by keeping doesn't before the subject. Doesn't he play well? That is the question. And here, regarding this, the right show this. We wrote directly interrogative sentence. Means in other way we have written negative also. They don't write so this. That is negative. When coming to interrogative, how can we? So what I said, you have to remember by seeing the subject. You have to remember which one you have to use in that two. By first you have to see the verb which verb is in the sentence, given sentence. If it is present tense, in do does what verb you have to use. According to the subject, you have to use subject is plural, so you have to use do always. So do you have to write starting remaining sentence. Do they write choice? Blindly don't write. Observe this working pattern of how the verb is, how the subject is, whether it is right to write or not, right to write or not. That is also most important. Do they write choice? So in such a way, to make a sentence negative as well as interrogative, we should use the help of do, does, did also. That is most important thing. And when coming to past tense, we discussed do, does. We didn't discuss did. Here I have written he. You see this sentence? He paid the bill. He paid the bill is it a positive sentence or negative sentence? Positive sentence. He completed payment. So positive sentence. Examiner asked us to write in negative. What is the negative sentence we can write further? He not paid the bill. He not paid the bill. Is it correct? No. Already I said not should be used with along with a helping verb. Helping verb should be there. So here we should remember only when the helping verb is not in the sentence, given sentence. When the helping verb is not in the given sentence, we should remember these three. According to the verb, we have to use one of these. According to the verb and according to the subject, one of that we have to use. So paid is a past tense. It relates to past tense V2. So we shall we use do does? No. We can use do does in present tense only. It is in past tense. So we have to use did. He did. After that, immediately we have to keep negative not. We did not. Let's see the sentence structure here. Here I said, just you write the sentence like that. No, while writing you have to observe everything. He did not pay the bill. Is it correct? If I write this one, he did not pay the bill. Already, what the verb here is used. Regarding this, we use the same. Regarding this also, we use the same. So that in such a way, can we write this paid as it is? Is it right? You have to say, is it right? No, it is not right. Why it is not right? Why can't we write paid? Because did is here. When did is here, after these three always we should use V1 only. They permit only V1 after them. Immediate verb should be V1. So, he did not, you should write pay. He did not pay the bill. This is negative. He did not pay the bill. That is the structure you have to write. That is the sentence you have to write. You should follow this. So that I said memory and remember. Memory and remember. At the time of the necessary, you should remember the rule. That's all. Already you have memory. Just write at the time of the writing, you have to remember whether I am writing right or not. If you question yourself, answer will come. No doubt at all. And when coming to interrogative sentence regarding this, he paid the bill. Interrogative sentence where we want to make a question. So already I said first you have to see the verb. It is in past tense. So when it is in past tense, you have to remember did. You have to write did. The sentence subject is he. After this you have to keep he. Did he? Paid is there. So did doesn't accept paid because after did we have to use only V1. What is the V1 form of paid is nothing but pay. Did he pay the bill? And the punctuation should be pakka, 100% correct. You have to write. You should write question mark only. Did he pay the bill? Then that becomes interrogative sentence of this. He paid the bill. If we want to make interrogative regarding this, he did not pay the bill. So this did not will come in the beginning only. Did not should be written in such a way. Didn't, or even if you write did not also no problem. You have to write. Didn't he pay the bill? Remaining as it is. Any question mark. Didn't he pay the bill? That is the structure. That is the interrogative sentence for negative sentence. This is the interrogative sentence for positive sentence. So in this way also, in this way, this do does did is going to be helpful to us. Even Ramya passed the exam. Now I have written an example here. Ramya passed the exam. You were asked to make negative to this. Ramya. So by seeing this verb, you have to remember because there is no helping verb. Whenever there is no helping verb, always you should remember do does did to make any sentence in negative or in interrogative. So Ramya passed. By seeing this, you can say this is V2. It is V2. So which verb you can remember? Did. Do does you may not remember. So did will come. Here you are asked to make it in negative first. I am ready here. Ramya answered the exam. Regarding this, you are making negative. You remember to Ramya, do does did. In that, which verb is useful to use here? By seeing this V2, you remember did is useful. Ramya did. After that only you are keeping not. Even you can write didn't. Ramya did not. After did not, past is here. What you have to write? Past only. Why we have to write past? Already I said did. After you should use only V1. Ramya did not pass the exam. This is negative. Even if you want to make it interactive, the examiner asks you to make this sentence in interactive. Ramya passes the exam. What is the interactive sentence for this? So, with one of these three you have to start. What is the word you can use? One of these three is nothing but according to the verb. According to the verb, only we can use did. Did Ramya? Proper nouns you can write with capital letters only for proper nouns. Did Ramya? After this, what word you have to use? V1 only, because after did the verb will come only in V1. So did Ramya pass the exam? That is the sentence. That is the question and interrogative sentence. Even in such a way, there is a scope to ask interrogative for this also. Already we have an idea about this. This form you have to write in the beginning only, then you have to write in capital did not or didn't. Didn't Ramya pass the exam? Pass the exam. Pending question mark. So when the question form is forming, question is forming, immediately in the end you write question mark. That is most important, students. Here you should remember these rules very effectively. Regarding do, does, did, we have certain importance and also confusion. So you should get grip over this by doing more examples on your own. Whenever you get doubt, you ask me, and also listen twice or thrice this topic. It is possible to understand in a simple way, no doubt at all. I am asking you to discuss anything in your house with your brothers or sisters, if you have brothers or sisters in your house, in English only. In this lockdown time, your English language is also going to be locked down if you talk in local language. So if you want to brush up your communication skills, if you want your speaking skills in such our area, we should have practice. Nowadays schools are not opened. When they are going to open also uncertain. So you only the task for your improvement or unimprovement. If you want improvement, you should follow my words strictly. It should be followed. You should talk to your brother or sister in English only. Whatever you know, whether it is wrong or right, don't think about that. Leave the shyness. Make simple sentences and talk to your brother or sister. If you are meeting any friend, I don't suggest to meet your friends, because nowadays are the worst days regarding this corona. So no need to meet any other than your family members. Generally it is a nice suggestion, don't meet your friends. Even if you get necessary, if you got necessary to meet them, you should use sanitizers and you should use masks also. That is most important. For both it is safety. For your friend and you, that system is safety. So that I suggest you, even when you want to talk to your friend or when you want to talk to your brother or sister, even over the phone if you want to talk, try to use simple sentences in your communication. Don't leave the English language. Again, gaining it in the schools, it takes some more time. Than that, practice that in your house only. I hope my students will follow my word. My students will do what regarding their improvement, what I said. God bless you all.